traders, this was an idea I sent in. I posted into my ideas here on the 8th of October, this video down here on the right. And I've updated it since. Now, if you're still in this trade, you'd probably want to secure, take profits. And I did mention in the last video to pull stop loss to break even. So you can see here I've got this arrow and this line. This is a break even stop loss. Now you could take partial profits and or close it and consider this possibility. Let's just have a look at this. We've got this bearish imbalance through here. This is currently pulling back into it. The other thing about this is this expansion here has extended out. And I'm looking for the retrace into my 50 to 61.8, and that coincides beautifully with this imbalance. You know, as this trades back, just be a little bit careful. Like, the imbalance is the first port of call. That's point of interest number one. The second point of interest is going to be this green, well, these two green candles. If you pick up the high and low of the candle bodies, right? This is a bearish order block. We can mark that up as such. Okay, so that's the second port of call. 4 hour, no, it's 1 hour. Hang on a sec, I'll just change that. 1H. Okay, so we've got this 1 hour bearish order block. There would be a 4 hour same thing in here as well. You can see how it we saw this value area, this range through here. Okay, so this is definitely where big money work their orders short. Okay, so this is a distribution level. Down it went. It's trending back up now. So first port of call is this one. Second is this one. And there's port of call number 3 is going to be this liquidity that's resting above these this range here. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm just pointing out the fact that we don't know how far this is going to pull back. You know, if it's going to remain bearish, there'll be a point where, you know, this pulls back wherever it pulls back, right? And then we see it range and fake out, shake out, something like that, and possibly it rotates and we see, well, we get an opportunity then to sell. Okay, the market is bearish on the higher time frame. We've got this break, but you know, we've got a little bit of a shift in the trend here, bullish, and I'd be keeping an eye on these three levels specifically. This one, and this one, to see where this price action plays out. Okay, so it's going to find resistance at some stage. So at the moment, it's trending up. So we don't know how far that's going to travel until it decides to shift gears and we get the rotation. And then that would be an opportunity then to go short, possibly. Right, but just hang in there and, you know, watch this for a bit, guys. I wouldn't be jumping into this. I wouldn't be buying at this level. It's counter trend. Let's have a look at it on the 4H. What do we got? You know, it's bearish price action. You know, we've got this break of structure here, BOS, bearish break of structure, and, you know, now we're just seeing a bit of a pullback. So until we see a break of, you know, these highs up here, let's just mark that up as a point of interest. Until I see, let's just go out of here a bit. All right, a bit of a higher low forming here. All right, but, you know, until I see a break above this high, you know, my bias is bearish, right? So it would take the break of this high here for me to be convinced that this is shifting gears and we're back in a bullish trend again. Right, so at the moment, let's look for opportunities on the lower time frame, maybe the 1 hour, and you know, just see if it trades back into resistance and starts to roll over. We could look for another short. Right, so, you know, to sum up, that's what I'm doing, and I would be looking for buy opportunities. Well, yeah, you've got this whole range up here that is going to be acting as like a significant resistance level. This entire section through here, and until we break this high, I'd be convinced to be going long. Anyway, that's my take on Bitcoin, and I'm thinking pull back, possibly look for further downside. I mean, you could do it this way as well. There's a trend, okay? Unless we see a break of market structure and it starts trending up, and I think that pretty well wraps it up. There's no trade at the moment. You know, I want to see it just quickly. I want to see it however it works its way, but to find resistance and then start to roll over and give us an opportunity to jump in short. So it's going to be this trend here, trending up, it flattens out, and then we see a break of market structure bearish, and then that would be the opportunity to sell. All right, that's it, guys. That's my take on Bitcoin at the moment. And love to hear your comments, and hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.